Hi guys, it's me, Laura, up on a ladder again because I wanted to show you our ceiling fan that we got for this room. It is a perfect fit in the brushed nickel. Now this comes with a 2-inch and 3-inch rod, and it will also swivel in case you have the slanted ceilings like we do. We actually have it mounted on our center beam, and we bought an 18-inch rod because we needed it just a little bit more vast to drop down in our room. But this fan has a remote control that actually hooks on your wall. It comes with a little cradle that you can put on your wall, so you don't even have to, get off the couch if you just wanted to bring it to the couch. Most of the time we have it stuck on the wall because you know what? We have kids and they would lose this tiny little thing and we would always be hunting with it. So we got to stick it on the wall in the cradle to leave it there. But for our purposes, I'm going to show you. First, I'm going to turn it on and see the light. Let me lean back just a little bit more so it doesn't hit me. Now, there's 3 speeds to this fan, and it also goes in reverse. So depending on if it's the summer mode or the winter mode, you can switch it around all you need to. And also the light dims as well. Okay, let's turn this off so I don't get decapitated. There we go. So it can slow down. But if you are in the need of a great ceiling fan for your room that really does the purpose and pushes the air around the room, this would be the one that I choose.